So hey Blooms, welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, we will be watching another interview from Mix Global that Bini reveals what they loved most filming about their Shaggy D music video. So, wala nang masyadong daldal at introduction. Let's all watch this. Let's go!
2, 3.
Mabuhay! We are Beanie, and you're watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
Hey! Oh, okay. How did Shaggy D come together from the song to the music video concept? Alright, how is it?
So yung Shaggy D po, pinitch sa amin ng management, and when we listen to it, talagang gusto namin siya. So we got it. We want it, we got it. And then sa music video naman, ang talagang nag-ano ng concept is You Me Us. Sila talaga yung from our past music videos, sila talaga yung gumagawa. And we love the
Yeah.
concept naman, so wala kami masyadong change doon. So we kinda went with the flow na rin sa lahat with Shaggy.
Yes.
Tsaka ang unique lang nalalagyan natin ng choreography na gagawin natin yung song, yung isang Filipino game.
Saka first time namin sa choreo-wise, literal na Shaggy. Kasi nung una medyo nagda-doubt kami, Coach, hindi ba ang tumitignan? Pero yung kasi yung point, Shaggy. Yeah.
Nice one. The Shaggy D music video is super eye-catching, yeah? What was the filming process like? Any fun or unexpected moments on set?
Nag-shoot po kami sa isang skate park po sa may, saan nga yan? Valenzuela. And
Oh,
sobrang
it's in
nag-enjoy
Valenzuela.
kami kahit sobrang init, kahit outdoor siya, ng daming dumadaan, na-enjoy talaga namin. As in, para lang kaming naglalarong mga bata talaga. And parang ang dami rin yung mga dance community, sobrang nag-enjoy kami with them kasi talagang sayawan, battle, ganon, and yeah.
Yeah, and let's
Yeah.
give credit to Ate Maloy's work kasi siya yung gumawa nung
Artwork.
Yes, thank you po. Actually, yung cover art, parang nag-help talaga ako na sabi ko, gusto ko i-try na gumawa ng cover art for Shaggy D, pero hindi ko ina-expect na yun yung magiging final output or yun yung magiging final cover art ng Shaggy D kasi hindi ko pa na-try yung ganong parang style of art dahil very siya street and parang anong tawag doon yung graffiti yun, never ko na-try
Oh, okay.
yun, sobrang layo niya sa art style ko, so challenge ko talaga yung sarili ko and inisip ko talaga na this is for Beanie and na-try ko rin na mag-cut out, so it was a fun experience for me and I hope nagustuhan din siya ng mga Blooms.
Of course, you are so talented and grabe naman. Basta pag-art, si Maloy talaga yan. Shaggy is a bit different from your previous music as it feels lighter and fun. What made you release a song like this? Were you hoping to shift some direction or was it just spontaneous? Go ahead, Bini. What is it?
well, for Shaggy D, we wanted to go even deeper po, like visually and culturally. And yun nga, parang bago din for Beanie yung ganitong concept na yun din kasi inaabangan ng mga tao sa amin kasi coming from Salamin na super pa-cute siya on top, 'di ba? Parang first time nila kami makita na ganito kaangas yung song,
Hey,
talagang parang
sobrang
relaxing
angas.
siya yung buong song. And ayun, feeling naman namin na-meet naman namin yung standards na ina-expect ng Bloom sa release namin na to. And can't wait kasi feeling ko hopefully mas ma-appreciate nila yung song pag nakita nila yung music video. Kasi parang gano'n naman talaga, di ba? Mas maganda yung song pag may music video
Music
na kasi
video.
mas
Visuals.
visualize mo yung
Right,
song eh.
right. I agree with that. Who thought of the steps of the song? Did you have some input in it? Yeah?
Actually,
Someone?
galing po sa coaches namin yung mga
Oh, okay.
choreo. Pero pinapakita lang nila sa amin. Merong tatlong version yung chorus nung Shaggy D. So, pinapapili kami kung anong gusto namin doon or meron po ba kami mga combination of steps galing doon sa tatlong videos. And then, ayun po, parang kami yung
Nagtagpi-tagpi.
kami yung last say kung bagay ba yung steps sa kanta na to. So,
Actually, mahirap po yung ibang options.
sobrang hirap na ibang options. Yun na, itong choreo po ng Shaggy D ngayon, yun na po yung
Yes.
Mahirap pa yung ibang options. Tapos itong napili nila, parang ito pa yung hindi. Hindi. Sabi naman ni Bebeshi, madali lang para sa kanila. But, well, grabe naman talaga yung choreo.
Parang ginawa namin,
Danceable.
kumuha kami ng chorus sa ganitong part, or pre-chorus sa ganitong version dun sa video. So, pinagtagpi-tagpi po namin.
Nice.
Para
Madaling magawa rin.
madaling magawa.
Iba talaga yung teamwork nila. So, thank you rin sa mga coaches. They are all so good. Shout out to Coach Matthew and Coach Reden. Ay! And to other coaches of Vini. How was it like performing Shaggy D in your Los Angeles tour? Outside Philippines? How did the audience receive it? Ay, grabe. Gulantang lahat nung nasa LA concert nila dahil sinayaw nila yung full Shaggy D there. So, ay sobrang saya ng mga Blooms there dahil sila yung unang naka-witness ng full performance ng Shaggy D. Go ahead, Vinny. Dami yung sinasabi.
Nung perform namin yon, we were actually like nervous kasi dun lang kami talaga nakapag-practice like sa tour na mismo.
Oh, yeah.
Since everything was very like
Tight?
squeezed in nga kasi we were trying to prepare for the tour, for the new song, and we wanted to perform Shaggy D during the tour kasi nga it's an opportunity to introduce it to international supporters
Yeah.
kasi nga Shaggy D is more Filipino, but it is mainly in English. But yeah, I think that was also like our point na gusto nga namin mas maintindihan nila, magets yung game or like what Filipinos are like playing this game ganon.
Naalala ko nung sa Shaggy D sa World Tour. Kasi parang every sound check, dun lang kami nagre-rehearse po. Parang kinakat-cut namin siya first chorus sa ganitong day, ganyan. Hanggang sa makarating kami dun sa na full song na. But we're very
Galing.
happy na na-perform namin siya dun. And sobrang hype nung tao. So, nakakadala.
Yes, galing, ang galing. Grabe. Doon lang sila nag-practice, doon lang nila binuo during the tour. Sabagay, special song siya talaga na ginawa nila during the tour. Have you seen any fun reactions or dance covers to Shaggy D yet? What's your favorite? Sobrang daming gumawa ng Shaggy D and nakakatuwa. Alam yung pagkalabas pa lang meron agad cover yung mga Blooms. Ang lupit. You are all so talented. Grabe.
Yung reactions
Filipinos
nila every
are.
dance break po. Parang same lagi no, every
Wow.
performance natin. Pagpasok ng
Dance
dance break,
break.
wow! May mga gumaganon. And yung sumasabay talaga sumasabay yung mga tao pag Shaggy D, siya,
true.
parang rinig na.
Yeah, and nakikita talaga namin yung support sa P-pop community when they do our dances. Feeling ko daw nahirapan sila kasi di nila alam kung sino nga yung susundan kasi nga paiba-iba kami ng
Yeah.
start ng steps, which is the challenge, I guess.
So challenging ng choreo ng Shaggy D. What's your go-to Shaggy D move when playing the game?
Si Staku. Hindi, parang nilalaro, parang paiba-iba siya every time naglalaro ko.
Anong
Masarap yung
Keno?
Ito, Shaggy D, Shaggy D. Yan yung una. Kasi pinaka, basic.
There's a 228 page photo journal you will be releasing. Yeah. What's inside the journal? What should Blooms look forward to or where should they flip to first? Alright, so kahapon lang po. Yesterday, may signing na nagano. Ang swerte ng Lucky 88 na Blooms. Dahil they got their sign photojournal and sobrang worth it na harap-harapan si 9 ng 8 girls natin. Congratulations to all of you. Wow.
Ooh, so this photo book of ours is it's really gonna be nice kasi we submitted some photos that hasn't been released. So malay mo may makita kayong beanie version from this year or whatever year. But yeah, we're not gonna spill as much, but we want it to be very us and very personal, yun, authentic. Yes, we hope you guys watch our Shaggy music video. We hope you guys enjoy it. And we will be releasing more music soon. So, abangan nyo lang. And then, we're gonna have Beanie Cosmetics. We're gonna have more events in the future. So, stay tuned lang.
And make sure
Wow.
to be a member ng Beanie Dog Global website. Tiffy, thank you po.
Wow, wow, wow. So that's it. Thank you, Mix. Thank you, girls. Alright. So that's the sneak peek from Shaggy D music video, and of course with some info sa photojournal nila, sa new album nila. And future events nila na in-announce nila kahapon. At yun na nga, we are also proud of you, Beanie. Sobrang daming nangyayari. And wow, you deserve all of it. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoy it. And see you in my next reaction video. Bye!